In coastal Karnataka, the centuries-old theatre tradition of Yakshagana is being nurtured by Keremane Shivananda Hegde and his family through the Sri Idagunji Mahaganapati Yakshagana Mandali. Founded in 1934, the troupe is now led by its fifth-generation artist who carries forward a legacy of performance, teaching, and preservation. Beyond their stage, their Gurukula trains children. Workshops introduce the art to schools, and projects like Aatave Paata and Masada Aata keeps its roots alive in the community.
To engage children, we launched Aatave Paata, taking Yakshagana into schools, and Yaksha Diksha Abhiyana, which integrates Yakshagana training into school curriculum.
By combining preservation with innovation and inviting women, youth, and scholars into its fold, this initiative ensures Yakshagana is not just remembered as a folklore, but lived as a vibrant, evolving tradition.